I want you to hate me. I want you to not trust me. I want you to go in there and say, you know what? I'm going to prove this son of a bitch a liar. And guess what happens? You're a fucking convert. You're convinced because you can't escape it. When you do the real work, you can't escape. What I'm teaching you is the market because I am the fucking algo. I'm making it very plain and telling you right now, I am the fucking market maker. I am the motherfucker that runs your stop. I am the motherfucker that sets the daily high and low. I am the motherfucker that works out all this shit in advance. And if you can't see it, if you can't recognize it, if you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, it went completely over your fucking head. And you deserve to be right where you're at because you're not trying to learn. You're trying to listen to all these people talk out their ass and they can't do shit. They can't do anything but talk out their ass. What do you think I'm doing every fucking day? What do you think I'm doing? It's not magic tricks. Price is only going to go where everybody sees it go. And it's going where I say it's going to go. And it's not simply saying enough that, yeah, I can trade. It's not enough to say that. Not for me, it ain't. It's not enough to say that I can be consistent in front of all of you. It's not enough for me. I want to fucking twist that dull edge over and over and over again for the people that have lied and talked shit. And they're silent. They can't say shit and have any meaning behind it. Look at all the people that are standing out in our industry right now. They're among you. They are your brethren. They have been in the same position you're in right now, listening to the same person talk to you right here, right now. I don't run out of yeast. I don't hit a wall in consistency. I don't get it wrong. I don't get it wrong. So they have to spend their time consoling themselves by consoling you by saying, trading is mostly sitting around waiting. Trading isn't a perfect scenario where you can avoid a lot of the losses, except and warm up to the idea that you're going to lose a lot. I don't tell you that. I don't tell you those things. In the beginning, you will suffer that. You will go through that. Because that's where you discover who you are. You discover the very things that you self-destruct with. Performance anxiety. Keeping up with the Joneses expressions in mine here. Where you see people, like even myself, just shy of 150,000 just this week. And I didn't trade everything that's available. Bro, talking about, I've been doing this account for a month and a half and look at what I'm doing. I did it in 3 fucking days and didn't even try. Again, there's a meme. There's this little cheetah. He's sitting in the Greyhound box right before the race starts. And the meme is implying that the race has started and the cheetah's just chilling inside the box like, you stupid fucks. Like, I don't need to run this race. I'm already at the finish line if I want to be. And this is not arrogance. I'm not bragging. I'm telling you that you're learning this craft and you're going to have this same skill. But how are you going to handle it once you get there? Because there is going to be something new under the sun for you. How are you going to deal with this success? How are you going to be able to wrestle the confidence and not allow it to become overconfidence and then you turn into a prick? See, a lot of you all want to be a Negan. You want to be a shit-talking ICT. You all like this part of me. But I only use this caricature to get your attention, hold you in place, to listen. Because I always come back around and bring you Mr. Rogers. Give you a little bit of Bob Ross. But I got to get your attention with the abrasive stuff. Because that's what sells wrestling. It ain't the bullshit they do inside that ring. It's the shit talking. It's the promos. It's the shooting. That's the stuff that I fell in love with as a young man. And the people I love to hate made me so mad. And the people that I looked at as a hero inspired me. Yeah, this one's gonna do this, man. He's gonna beat you up. And I tackle those very things in my presentation. And I capture your attention. And I hold your attention with that stuff. And I know there are people that have little dick energy. They don't like when I do this because they think, oh, look, he's bragging. He doesn't have a track record. So look at what I'm fucking putting down every day. These people that talk that shit, they never come here and wrestle me. They never stand side by side and let's do it. Something happens always. Something always fucking happens. I'll tell you what it is. It's Velcro balls, okay? You can put them on and take them off. Mine are attached to me. And I'm dragging them behind me every fucking day on social media, asking someone to step on them. I dare you to step on them. But they won't do it. If everything out here is something better than what you're learning, why don't they come here? Why don't they show it? Why don't they prove it? Why don't they call it every candlestick? Why don't they tell you where the fucking daily high and low is going to be? Why don't they tell you beforehand? Because they can't. They won't. And that's all there is. Nobody talking shit about what you're learning can outperform it. Just remember that. That's what I'm trying to show you. When I do these types of things and I make these public stunts and stand out here and beat my chest, it's not because I need that. I do it as a reminder to the ones that are weak-hearted, that you're just easily influenced by other people. What do you think fucking matters more? Seriously. Anything that I could show over the last 33 plus years, which could be fabricated. I got a lot of fucking money, folks. I could pay people to do things that make everything I've ever done look like it's rainbows and fucking gumdrops. And a lot of you people would foolishly believe because it was presented in a well-presented with a ribbon and all kinds of lights and spotlights on this and accolades here and talked about this and stuff. That's what used to be able to be employed on people to scam them. But you know what separates the people that are bullshit? The ones that won't come out there and tell you what's going to happen beforehand. The ones that won't put an execution on. That won't place a fucking stop loss and know that it won't be hit. I said that right. And know that it won't be hit. See, all these other educators out there, they don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're selling shit because they need that money. If I need to live on ad revenue, why the fuck am I not doing 20 fucking videos a week? Because I don't give a fuck. I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm talking to you right now, and there's no money. I'm not making money on this. All of you that make money by taking these presentations and put them on your YouTube, you're making the money. Think about that logic. How's that a fucking winning campaign? It doesn't make any sense. But people, they just ignore it. They ignore it. They ignore the fact that your captain in arms, okay, your fucking quarterback, that guy, that ICT guy, is out here and telling you what's going to happen. Focus here. It's not going to do anything but this. Just focus on this. Look at these levels. Fuck everything else. Don't listen to anybody else. This is your mark. I'm your spotter every week. You're training to be a sniper. The spotter's job is get range. Where's your range? What are you aiming for? This level. Are you shooting downwind or upwind? Bullish or bearish? I've already given you the skill set. I've already given you the ammunition. The ammunition is a PD arrays. What caliber are you gonna shoot with? 5.56, 223, 30-06, 50 cal. Pick your poison, baby. 9mm, 22 long range. In deference to the ladies just starting out. A little bit of recoil. Still putting rounds on target. See, I make a mockery of everything else. And if a 20-year-old knew what I know right now in me, it would have been a monster. Like, it would have been a monster. But over the years, I have been humbled